hey, I am not dead, I am still alive, and I am studying for CUET exam. That's why I was unable to make much more videos for this YouTube channel. So what has happened in this past is that I have completed my JEE exam and I have secured a less percentile than cutoff. Cutoff was for general, it was 93.4 percentile, and I scored 92.6 percentile. I just missed the cutoff. So from now onwards I'll be focusing on CUET. Not from now onwards, in fact when I had my JEE exam I knew I'm not going to get selected for IITs for JEE Advanced. So I started my preparation just after my JEE. After 7th May, after 7th April, I started my CUET preparation. One month has passed in my CUET preparation, and now 10 days are left. My exam is on 22nd and 26th. My 22nd, my exam will be of English and Mathematics. Now I'll be telling you, today is 11th May. Now I'll be telling you what I'll be doing for the rest of the 5 days. Like I have 10 days, but I am targeting for the next 5 days. Look, my mock test results are indicating that I am weak in vocabulary and general knowledge and current affairs. These three things are weak. In mathematics, I'm scoring decent. In chemistry, also, I'm scoring decent. In chemistry, I'll tell you one thing. I want to get admission in DU, Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies. So what has happened is, for the past few years, they were taking admission on the basis of your GAT, English and Mathematics score. But from now onwards, they are including a one domain subject also, and I didn't know about that. I just got to know about that few days back, and I'm tensed because I had not studied chemistry since my JEE exam. So I have to study it along with my GAT, English and Mathematics. So now what's my plan for the next 5 days? For the next 5 days, I'll be studying GK, English and vocabulary, like English vocabulary, current affairs. These three things are weak, so I'll be dedicating 7 to 8 hours on these three topics. I'll be moving towards history, politics, political science, economics and geography. Today I'll be studying history, and by the time I will upload this video I have already studied English or history. Today I'll be studying history, tomorrow geography, day after tomorrow politics, political science, and after that economics. So this is my plan for the next 5 days, and after that I'll again make a video on this channel and I'll update what I'll be doing. And in these 5 days also I'll be studying for vocabulary, at the same time general knowledge of other subjects also, like the United Nations and organizations around the world. Current affairs are most important because they will give you marks on the basis of what you know. You don't have to spend time on those questions. If you know them, you just mark them, you get 5 marks. If you don't know them, you just skip them and get -5 marks. So this is what I'll be doing for the next 5 days. And along with them, maths and chemistry are compulsory. I'll be studying maths and chemistry for 3 to 4 hours, and the rest 8 to 7 hours I'll be studying this GAT, especially GK and GS, general science, and English and current affairs. So this is what I'll be going to study for the next 5 days. So yeah, I was not making any videos since a lot of time, because that I didn't know what to make, because I didn't have time enough for this thing, for YouTube. So yeah, from now onwards I'll be consistent, but less consistent in my CUET exam, and after that I'll be very consistent on this channel. So yeah, this was me, Hydra. Welcome to this channel, Hydra Speaks.